Hey y'all, I'm back again. So the same thing we did with those Oreos, we're gonna do with these pretzels. But this time I had some leftover caramel that I made when I did some caramel apples a week ago. So I figured, why not? Let's have some chocolate covered caramel pretzels. So I have my candy melts, my caramel pretzels. Dip my pretzels in the caramel, let that sit in the refrigerator for a little while to harden up, whatever. And then I take half of my pretzels and dip it in the candy melts. I dip half in the candy melts. You don't have to. You can put more or less. It's up to you. But these are my caramel pretzels right here, the white or the light pink ones. As you can see, it hardens up on there really nice too. And my favorite part, as you guys know, just take the candy melts out in that piping bag and put some designs on your pretzels. I like to cover my pretzels completely. That way every bite you have like the sweet and salty situation happening. Right now you see me like taking these pretzels out after they sat and hardened. I'm just cleaning them up. All that leftover chocolate that's just be on the edges. It pops off really easy. But that's the finished product, y'all. Super cute and tasty at the same damn time. Enjoy.